Hello, this is a video tour of 2015 Stockton. We're at the exterior of the building. It's located in a fantastic location in North Beach. While it's in a very vibrant neighborhood, this building is located on a very quiet street. You have your mailboxes just outside the front door. You walk into the building, and this is a gorgeous Edwardian building. And each of the units, or this one specifically, has been completely renovated. Unit 6 is located on the top floor. There are 2 units on each level. So we have one more level up. There is shared laundry in the building. And here we are. Unit number 6 is straight ahead. Okay, and right as you walk in, you have this nice, long, beautiful hallway. To the right is the first bedroom. You have a decorative fireplace, nice round bay window. You do have a good amount of natural light. Hardwood floors throughout. And here's the view out the window here. You do have a good-sized closet in here as well, with a window, along with a shelf up on top. Okay, so here is the second bedroom. This one is located off the street. You have built-in shelving here. And you have a closet as well. Let's take a peek inside this. Pretty spacious walk-in closet. Okay, so you have a split bath, which is very convenient. Gas heating. Bathtub and shower combination. Good size shower head. Nice modern renovation. Okay. Over here is the living room with built-in shelving. Freshly painted. And it opens up onto a dining room, kitchen with beautiful views. The kitchen has stainless appliances. There's your refrigerator. There's a range. Lots of counter and cabinet space. And plenty of room here for a dining table. And here's a view out the window. Okay, if you're interested in this lovely space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks so much and have a great day.